Tulsa isn't just about finding the right house. It's about finding the right neighborhood, the right community, and a place that truly feels like home. If you're wondering where to live, which suburb is the best fit for your family, what your budget can actually buy, or what it's really like to live in places like Jenks, Bixby, Broken Arrow, Owasso, Midtown Tulsa, or anywhere else around the Tulsa Metro, you're in the right place. I'm Meek, a local realtor here in Tulsa, and my goal is to help make your move a whole lot easier. On this channel, you'll find neighborhood tours, community spotlights, market updates, home tours, buying and selling tips, local events, and honest advice to help you make confident real estate decisions. I don't just show you the houses. I want to show you what it's actually like to live here so you can find the area that's the best fit for you. Whether you're relocating from another state, moving across town, buying your first home, upgrading to something bigger, downsizing, or even thinking about investing in real estate, my hope is that these videos give you the information you need to make the best decision for you and your family. I'm not here to give you my sales pitch. My goal has always been to educate first, answer the questions people are actually asking, and be a resource you can come back to whenever you need help navigating the Tulsa real estate market. If that sounds like what you've been looking for, I'd love for you to subscribe and check out some of the other videos on the channel. I post new content regularly covering neighborhoods, local businesses, market updates, home tours, and everything else you need to know about living in Tulsa. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, investing, or just trying to figure out where you want to call home, I'd love the opportunity to help. Before you go, leave me a comment and let me know, what's your biggest question about moving to or living in Tulsa? There's a good chance it'll inspire one of my next videos.